Welcome to a new video of Zack's pronunciation. This member of Stray Kids, his name is pronounced Pil-lik-seu. In Korean, Pil-lik-seu. There is no F in Korean, so the starting is like P. Pil-lik-seu. Pill, which we take for medication. Pill. Pil-lik-seu. The ending is like S. Pil-lik-seu. Pil-lik-seu. In English, his name is Felix, with the emphasis on the first syllable phi. Felix. In Korean, Pil-lik-seu. Pil-lik-seu or Felix, he is known for his very deep, distinctive voice, which stands out in K-pop. Recognized as one of the main dancers of Stray Kids, popular for his charismatic stage presence and energetic performances. Has a large international fan base due to his Australian background and English fluency. Pil-lik-seu. 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 Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation for more videos like this.